Nothing. I just figured I want to take a little bit more videos of us.
No, Mom, can I do this? Can I look at the pictures at the house on Jackson's iPad?
Well, we can look at... Jackson, why are you covering your face? Didn't you like to look at videos of you?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Oh.
And I want to be in the shade.
Well, do you want me to move your chair to the shade?
Oh, move the
Okay.
pen.
Okay, so let's see. All right, so we are on the beach, on Onslow County Beach, on base, and it's just the three of us. And I set up this canopy all by myself. I did it all by myself.
I want to do something.
All right.
So I feel like one day can hide.
Hold on.
I feel like one day we'll be YouTubers.
One day we'll be YouTubers.
Jackson,
What do you mean?
hide.
I don't know. You want to be a YouTuber?
Yeah. Jackson,
Think about
hide.
it.
Hide. It's just the two of us.
It's just you. It's just you and Jackson.
Yeah, just me and you.
Oh, just me and you. Oh, awesome. What are you eating? Are they good? Oh, no, they taste bad? Oh, man, that's such a bummer. Ah, great. All right, I'm going to go move Jackson's chair into the shade. Paparazzi. Paparazzi. Uh-huh. Yeah, notice how he's not covering the sun. He's covering my view of him. Oh, that stinker.